Okay, so let's continue by working on the lips now. So before we move on with modeling anything, we still need to add a few more edge loops that would define our lips, and something like this works for me. So let's now create the geometry of the lips. Let's make the lines always kind of work smoothly. So yeah, over here what we have, so we would like to have a bit more of the lips that are kind of moving outside of this model. So let's try to extrude these two polygons. Actually, I'm thinking if it's gonna be a good thing for us, but yeah, let's just try. So we are going to extrude like this, and what we need to do is we need to collapse a few of the vertices, like these ones and these ones together, and of course these two in the middle. It's difficult to choose them correctly. So we have this form. Of course we have some polygons that are completely not important, so we remove them, we get rid of them. And now we have kind of a lip structure here. Let's form it slightly more, and also, yeah, we need to form it a bit here and a bit here, and here we have those lips. Now before we finish this one, let's try to create the geometry for the eyebrows. So again, we have to start from adding more edge loops, as we will need them badly. So we have this geometry over here that we will want to be extruded later on. But for now, what we can see here is that we are missing a few polygons. So as we are doing all the time, let's just try to add polygons for us. So yeah, this is good. Also, I think we might need a polygon over here, like the whole edge loop. And now we can try to form a geometry out of it. How to do it properly? So the brow is going here, it's going here, and here we have a problem. So we need to fix this problem. So the brow will go like here, and here, but we have to fix the mesh here because it doesn't look too good, honestly. So yeah, that's what we are doing. We can't have the mesh to be too distorted. This is very important. And here we are having our first kind of good looking brow. We might be needing some adjustments over here. So again, what we can do is just insert an edge loop exactly here, and let's try to take the vertices that are here and move them together. So we have the base for our eyebrows right now, and of course, as you can imagine, we'll be extruding them later on, but that'll be made in the next video.